so we are getting ready to go film a house for ABC4. It's $1 million home and it's absolutely drop dead gorgeous. I've only seen pictures, so I'm really excited to go check it out in person. This home has 2 wings. It's not every day you walk into a house that has 2 wings. I believe there's an east wing and a west wing. It's over 11,000 plus square feet. The kitchen has an 18-foot grand island with a pizza oven, 3 dishwashers for when you have those gigantic parties, probably non-COVID parties, and you got a lot of dirty dishes. It also sits right next to the river, literally less than a football field. So the second you walk out your backyard, if you're a fisherman or a fisherwoman, you're casting your line into the river, catching dinner. I mean, how cool is that? And this home also has a tandem garage for all of you big toy people that have the boats, RVs, snowmobiles, 4-wheelers. You literally pull into one side of the garage, and when it's time to leave, you just keep going and pull out the back side of the garage. You never even have to reverse out of this house. This home is a dream home and was actually featured on HGTV's Dream Home. So we're heading out the door to go film this house. Definitely stay tuned. Correction, $5 million home. All right, so we just pulled up to this spectacular house. And so let me give you a sneak peek of the outside. I'm gonna turn the camera, and so, I don't know, let's see here. You can see the one wing, which is right here, and then the other wing that is over there. So, I'm excited to get inside. We got here a little bit early. Well, I got here a little bit early. And so now we're just waiting for the rest of the crew, the camera crew, Dina, and Jameson Frost and Valen Linder, who are gonna let us into the property to take a peek of the inside and film this segment. We're up in Midway, and this home sits on about 2.5 acres, 11,000 plus square feet. The Provo River is like literally seconds. It's probably 30, 40 yards out this door. So if you're a die-hard fisherman or fisherwoman, I mean, you're literally casting your line, catching dinner within seconds of walking out this door. Fantastic.
The views from the upstairs bedroom that overlook the river, just breathtaking.
To die for.
What are some of your other favorite features about this place?
Whew, where do we even start? Okay, so first of all, this home is a 2-wing home. It's not every day you walk into a house that has an east wing and a west wing, right? And so this home has 2 wings. The main residence, which we're in, has this gorgeous family room, gourmet kitchen, and the master suites to die for. It's got French doors that open up to the deck, to the gorgeous, spectacular mountain views and sounds of the river. Now, I don't know about you, but nature sounds are my favorite. I love rain. I love the sounds of the river. So this home has everything. Then, if you head over to the other wing, it's got an 18-foot countertop island. It's got a brick pizza oven. It's got 3 dishwashers when you're having those massive non-COVID parties and 2 sinks. And it is absolutely spectacular. Now, both wings have their very own 2-car garage. And one of my favorite things about this house is it has a tandem garage. So for all those people that have the big toys that pull in a trailer, the boats, the RVs, the snowmobiles, you never have to reverse. You pull in one side of the garage and then you pull out of the other side of the garage. There's no reverse. This home is truly a dream home. And in fact, it was on HGTV's Dream Home. So it's absolutely spectacular.
Oh my goodness. It's so impressive to walk through. Now, Yoshi, if people aren't familiar with what Utah Home Sweet Homes is, tell us about it.
Yes. So Utah Home Sweet Home is a company where we help our clients buy and sell real estate, but also invest in rental properties.
Let's talk about inventory. What can you tell me there?
Okay, so great question. The National Association of Realtors recently put out an article predicting the trends for this year, 2021. And at the top of the list is low inventory. The whole nation's facing low inventory. However, with the release of the vaccine, they're predicting that more and more sellers are actually going to start to get more comfortable putting their house on the market. So we should have more inventory coming. But because we are at an all-time low of inventory, they're predicting there's probably going to be a very competitive market, at least for a little while.
Now, what about mortgage rates? Are we going to start seeing those low mortgage rates start to climb?
Great question. Actually, in that same article, it went on to say that interest rates are probably going to start to climb this year. Now, that article is really interesting because it shared how a lot of first-time home buyers that went from renters to first-time home, they actually sped up the process because of these super low interest rates. Then you have the people that already own homes that want to roll up into a home, maybe something like this, that also took action sooner than they planned because of the low interest rates that they wanted to take advantage of. And believe it or not, older adults actually downsized right now to take advantage of these low interest rates. So interest rates are very favorable. However, I was chatting with Matt Atkinson and Johnny Brakey at Intercap Lending, and they were sharing with me that interest rates are starting to creep up a little bit. So you may want to stay in touch with your loan officer, mortgage broker to make sure you're getting the best opportunity.
I love how knowledgeable you are and how passionate you are. So whether you're looking for a dream home like this or maybe your first ever home, you can help anybody out no matter where they are in their life.
Absolutely.
Tell everybody where to find you.
Yes, so you can go to our website at utahhomesweethome.com or you can call us at 801-810-4475.
Perfect. He's your guy. Thanks, Yoshi.
Thank you.